This is Ian from EasyGenie, and oftentimes we get a question from some of our users who have tried out our fillable genealogy PDFs. These are genealogies PDFs that you can type into. So for instance, if I wanted to add information about some John Wallace, I could type in, something like that. People want to know, well, if you have this particular genealogy PDF with these empty fields, can I just use a GEDCOM or a GEDCOM to import the data into the PDF? And the answer, unfortunately, is no. This type of file, I call them GEDCOMs, but I've heard other people call them GEDCOMs. These are files that are used to exchange data between different types of software programs, genealogy data. I have an example right here because sometimes I export this type of file. And if you open it up, you have to use special programs to do that. I'm just going to use a text editor so you can see what it looks like. And you can see that the information is a little bit hard to read sometimes. It's in a computer format, okay? And if I wanted to do something like copy and paste this information in, I could do it. So I could take Matthew Heary's name, I could go to Edit, Copy, and then I could paste it into the correct field. Matthew Heary, get rid of that extra text. And obviously that will take a little bit of extra time to do it, but I can't just take a GEDCOM file and import it into this particular software program, which is Adobe Acrobat. While Adobe Acrobat does allow certain types of file imports, it has to be set up in a very particular way. And unfortunately, the GEDCOM format does not match that particular way. You can see that there's lots of extra information in there, and there's just no place for it to go, for one. So unfortunately, you cannot use the GEDCOM or the GEDCOM in that way, but you can copy and paste directly from the GEDCOM. So if I wanted to copy Ireland in there, I could do that. The other thing you can do, and I do this quite a bit actually, is I go to Family Search, either the records or the public tree that they have, and then I copy and paste from Family Search. And the way you do that is you just highlight it with your mouse, go to Edit, Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut, go back to Adobe, and then you can just paste it right in there. So I'm going to do right-click, paste, and it goes in there. This is Ian Lamont from EasyGenie. If you want to learn more about our fillable genealogy PDFs that use different types of fonts, go to easygenie.org, then click on PDF downloads. You'll come to this page. You'll see all kinds of different fillable PDFs that we have. These are unlike anything you can find on the internet. Certainly the internet forms, the free ones you can get, they never look as good as ours. And also, as far as I'm aware, almost none of them have fillable text entry, especially using these different fonts that we have, such as this cursive font. It's called Aramis. We also have a Helvetica version of it as well. This is Ian. Thank you so much for watching.